Welcome to this lesson on star projection in Kotlin generics. Star projection is a powerful feature that helps us work with generic types when we don't know or don't care about the specific type argument being used. Star projection uses the asterisk symbol to represent unknown generic types. When you use star projection, you're telling Kotlin that you want to work with a generic type, but the actual type parameter doesn't matter for your current operation. This is particularly useful when you need type safety, but don't need to know the exact type. Here's how you use star projection. You write list angle bracket asterisk angle bracket as the parameter type. This means the function accepts a list of any type. Inside the function, you can safely read from the list and perform operations like iterating through items and printing them. Star projection has two key characteristics you must remember. First, you can safely read elements from the collection. Elements are treated as any nullable, which means you can access them without causing type safety issues. Second, you cannot write or add elements to the collection. This restriction exists to maintain type safety and prevent runtime errors. Reading from star projected types is completely safe. In this example, the getSize function accepts a list with star projection and returns its size. You can pass a list of integers, a list of strings, or a list of any other type. The function works correctly because reading properties like size doesn't depend on the specific type parameter. Writing to star projected types is not allowed. When you try to add a string or an integer to a mutable list with star projection, the compiler prevents it with an error. This is because Kotlin cannot guarantee type safety if you could add any type of element. The only exception is adding null, and that only works if the underlying type is nullable. Star projection is actually syntactic sugar for out projection. List asterisk is equivalent to list out any nullable. Similarly, mutable list asterisk is equivalent to mutable list out any nullable. Understanding this equivalence helps you see why star projection behaves the way it does with reading and writing restrictions. Use star projection in 4 common scenarios. First, when working with collections of unknown types. Second, when you only need to read or inspect data without modifying it. Third, when the type argument doesn't matter for your operation. And fourth, when creating type-safe generic utility functions that work across different types. Star projection gives you flexibility while maintaining Kotlin's strong type safety guarantees.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.